Hello everybody, I hope my voice isn't too loud. I come on to do a dismantling jewelry video. I went to this thrift store and I got some sweaters for a good price and I got this jewelry. I'm going to dismantle it so I can make new jewelry out of it, and I wanted to dismantle it on video. I wanted to show you what I got, and I'll dismantle it on video so you guys can see now. I got this necklace. I'm going to take it apart for the beads. Look at the gorgeous beads, y'all. Look at that, y'all. Gorgeous beads, y'all. Let me try to bring you close. Perfect. Perfect. Let me see if I can find something to put these beads in, cause I know this container ain't gonna work out. Hold on a minute. If I find something. Yo, I got something. I got a little something. I got this. I'm gonna put all the beads in. Hold on a minute, y'all. Let me try to clean this out, y'all. The best I could do. Trying to dismantle this necklace. That's one necklace dismantled. I'm going to keep the string and keep the bits, because I can use them for a recycled project, And all the bits are going to go in this sack here. See what else we got in here. Ooh. Yo. Look at this. There is a lot of beads to work with, yo. Yo. There's a lot of beads to work with, y'all. But we're going to dismantle all these necklaces, whether you like it or not, because I am making new jewelry out of it. I don't care if you don't like me for this, but hey, I like buying some jewelry off and on to make new jewelry. Ain't nothing wrong. Are you serious? They just went everywhere, yo. Oh my god. Yes, they went everywhere. Literally, they went everywhere. Try to scoot this up here. Goodness gravy, they went everywhere, y'all. It's gonna give me a few minutes to clean these beads up. Good lord. Maybe I should have put them in that one. I mean, they all just went... Whoo! Oh my goodness. Jeez Louise, hold on, y'all, so I can fix this. Get this mess cleaned up. So where's the other side? Okay. Now please do not make a mess everywhere. Please don't make a mess. Please don't make a mess. Alright. And then your beads on here. You know what, I'll just save those beads, but look. I'm gonna be reusing this. I ain't gonna waste nothing. Alright, y'all. Look at that beautiful white bag, though. Look at that. That gorgeous white bag. Let's stick it over there. Oh my gosh, look at this, y'all. Look at this. Look at this gorgeous necklace. Look at that. Look at it. It's so pretty. Do I really want to dismantle it? It's so pretty. Do I really want to dismantle it? Hell yeah! Dismantle it, baby. I could do some different projects. Look at that. Crystal beads. This is like a resin pendant. Hell yeah, I'm going to dismantle it. Hell yeah. God, I can make some gorgeous things with this. Oh yeah, hold on. Mm. Crap it. I get it later. I'm not fussed. Uh, hold on a minute, y'all. Hold on a minute, y'all. Oh, they not over here. Oh, they not over here. Y'all, wait a minute. Let me pause this and come back. I have to get a few things. I'm back. I had to get my jewelry snippers. Fix this camera again. Yeah, I had to get my little jewelry snippers. Actually, I love dismantling jewelry, but sometimes it's too beautiful to take apart. But this, I could do all kinds of pretty, new jewelry with this, you know? It is beautiful, but I'm taking it apart no matter what anybody says or I say. I'm going to take it apart. We'll just put all the jewelry in with all the jewelry. And so, if I can get this one. Perfect. Do we put the chain in with the beads? That's what we do. Oh, look at that. I just love these little detailed things. Oh my goodness. Oh, beautiful. I mean, beautiful crystal beads. Beautiful yellow ones too. And I like the antique with the all detailed. If I could show you this up close. Look at that, y'all. Let me see if I can get a better view. Look at this. Look at it all. All of the beautiful beads on here, if you can see. Let me try to give you a closer view, but look. Look at that gorgeous necklace I'm dismantling. I don't care what y'all say. I can get the camera into view. It's time to take the scissors and dismantle. I'm putting a little doodad that need to be thrown away over here. Woo! I knew, oh my god, look at that. Look at, oh my goodness, look at this. Y'all, look at this, y'all. Look at this. Oh my goodness, look at all this. Look at all this goodiness. Look at all this goodiness, y'all. Look at all this goodiness treasure, y'all. It's going all in the bin. It's going in a little green bin. Look at all that goodness. Look at all that goodness to be made into new jewelry. Look at that, y'all. Take a quick look. Alright, back to... Oh, okay. Let me get the rest off of this necklace. Like I said, I'm going to save the scraps. Because that's what I do. I like to reuse. Alright, y'all. Back into view, y'all. Back into view. Am I missing one? Am I missing one? There's one I think I am missing. I'm missing one. Hold on a minute, y'all. I'm missing one. Wait a minute. I'm missing one, y'all. Hold on. I'm going to deposit this again. I'm missing a necklace, y'all. I'm missing the necklace, so hold on a minute. I'm missing a particular necklace. Found my missing necklace. I found my missing necklace. I'll show it to you, and then here's my missing necklace. And then here's the other. Yep, here's my two missing necklaces. We're just going to put them in the bin for a minute. And then we're going to take this one apart. Oh, yeah. Try to get you into view. I want to try not to put these everywhere. We're going to see, because I don't know how well this is going to work. If it is, hold on a minute, y'all. This is going to bug the crap out of me. Let me just dump it in here. Perfect. Then we'll worry about the holes at the end. Alright, y'all. Time to get cutting. I just hope these don't go everywhere because of the holes. Just hope these don't go everywhere because... Jeez Louise, these beads are just mischief. Telling you, they want to go flying and everywhere else. So, I'm going to keep... And then these beads I'll handle later. I'm going to keep all this because I'm going to try to reuse it. If I can't, then I will throw it away. Alright, y'all. Next, we're going to take this beautiful necklace apart, y'all. And I don't care if you don't like me dismantling jewelry. I'm making new jewelry out of this, y'all. I don't care. It is nice jewelry, but I like to recycle and reuse, you know. Sometimes you got to do what you got to do to be creative. And then we got this gorgeous one. We got this gorgeous, like, midnight dark blue necklace. So, let's get to cutting. Yeah. Look at this, y'all. Yeah, I hope you can see. Look. I hope you can see all the beads. Y'all, look at all this beautiful goodness. Look at all this beautiful good. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video with me dismantling. Hold on, there's some beads on the string. I'm going to keep this because I can reuse it. But y'all, just take a moment to look at this goodness, y'all. Alright, I hope you like this video. I'm going to do a thumbnail. Comment if you like this video. Comment if you want me to do more videos like this. Comment if you want me to show you what I'm going to do with all this goodness. Let me know.